Hey mama, so I just got the Neeva Fetal Doppler. It's a great way if you want to check in with your baby, listen to the heartbeat, gives you peace of mind. It's also a great way to bond with baby, or if, you know, right now you can't take your partner to your appointments. So I put the batteries in. You get ultrasound gel. So just like when you go to, you know, your OB, you get the checkups, you rub the ultrasound gel on the baby. So right now, baby is head down. So I'm gonna look for his heartbeat in the lower part of my belly. So just so you can see up close, here it is. So we're searching. I hear it. Listen. Can you hear that? That's his heartbeat. And so you can see the numbers, so you can monitor the numbers. And it's a great way to just check in, bond, and when you're really big right now, I'm 36 weeks measuring 39. It just reminds me that this is all worth it and it's so special. That's just so amazing. So I highly recommend getting the Neeva Fetal Doppler. It's a wonderful gift to give yourself and your partner, and congratulations on your pregnancy.